Hello, to remove SIM card from your Xiaomi Poco X7, first of all you'll need this pin that comes included with your phone, and also you need to locate your SIM tray. It is located on the bottom of our phone right here, and you need to insert this pin into this little pinhole right here carefully, and as you insert it you need to push it gently so the SIM tray ejects like this. And you have to grab your SIM tray with your nails and just take it out like this. Alright, as you can see we have our SIM card, and you should be able just to rotate your SIM tray like this and push it from downwards. But what happens in case you have two SIMs right here? On the bottom of our SIM tray, as you can see right here, there are little cuts, and as you can see, here are the SIM cards visible here, and you can simply grab the SIM card using your nails, just like this, and it should come out loose like that. Let's try this same thing from the other side. Here you can see here is the cut, and you can just take out the SIM card using your nails right here from the bottom of this SIM tray. So basically that's how you do it. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.